is over, like, will there be a follow-up program, or what will happen?
Nothing can say what will happen. We are working with the other organization to extend the feed-in tariff for having a vision, not only 1 year always, but we try to extend. If we are able to extend the feed-in tariff, because there is the possibility to extend, because as I explained, there is a fixed amount, that 5.8 billion euros, and at the moment we have enough money to arrive for about more than 5 years, because all this feed-in tariff is not used. There are some arrive to the small wind, some to the hydro. All the rest, like biomass, biogas, etc., don't use the feed-in tariff because it's very difficult to install systems in Italy. So we have the money to extend this feed-in tariff, but I don't know if we have the political interest, because this is the real problem at the moment in Italy. The problem is not the small wind in Italy, because the small wind are small number too. We arrived at I don't know, 100 megawatt at the end of 2015 for the small wind, but we have 27 gigawatt of solar that grow in about 3 years, and this 27 gigawatt killed the electric company. That is the truth, and that is why we have a lot of problem now also for the small wind, and it's a problem also for people like EPP Power One that grow very fast in photovoltaic in Italy, and now they stop it. So we have to understand what they want to do, the new government. We hope that the new government have a vision because also we have a lot of manufacturer, mechanical, electronics, etc. in Italy. So we need to extend to help them to develop a product and to arrive, I don't know when, to a grid parity. Because for the photovoltaic we are almost in grid parity in Italy.
Will that program be enough to bring small winds to grid parity? And like the question I would like to connect with that is, and that is a question to everybody, and I would like to open the discussion with that. How much sense does it make to have a national program which with a limited time frame? And what does that mean to the local manufacturers? Does that open the market, the national market? And does that bring national manufacturers into other markets? So this is the discussion. Who wants to comment first?
No? Okay. Yeah, I don't know if I understood well the question. Okay, so your concern is more about the chaotic approach to the feed-in tariff legislation all around Europe?
Yeah, let me put it in a nutshell. The question actually is, how much sense does it make to have a national short-term support program for small winds, which will end after a certain period of time? Like, what effects do small wind turbine manufacturers, or in your case, an inverter manufacturer, foresee, or like what hopes do you connect with such a program? Is it worthwhile having such a program, or would you set it up in a different way if you were the politician deciding about such a